Nike's sleek and sophisticated version of the Air Force 1 Low, featuring a pristine white and black colorway that is understated yet slightly upscale, expands the brand's small jewel swoosh portfolio. Superior materials are used for the upper, including superior tumbled leather finished in a complete white. A clean edge is added to the silhouette's traditional lines by the strong black contrast stitching that borders its layered panels. The liner, flat laces, and tongue branding all use black to help break up the composition's stark whiteness. The AF1 lace dubrae are tied into a shiny gold small jewel swoosh at the forefoot to provide a sense of beauty to the design. The sneaker has a classic white midsole and black rubber outsole underneath, which is a dependable combination that guarantees the colorway can be worn in every season. Anticipate the debut of the Nike Air Force 1 Low White, Black and Gold Mini Jewel on Nike.com and a few international shops in the autumn of 2025.